The male reproductive system is specially designed to produce, store and transport sperm. The male reproductive organs are on both the inside and outside of the pelvic cavity. Where male reproductive system contain testicles, epididymis, vas deferens, accessory glands, seminal vesicles, and prostate. There are a lot of people have no idea about sperm production. So today in this video I will show where are sperm produced, how sperm are produced, and how long does it take to produce new sperm. So welcome to today's new episode. Where are sperm produced? Sperm production occurs in the testicles, which transfer through vas deferens, and finally it finished with ejaculation. A healthy man can produce millions of sperm every day. How sperm are produced? There is a system of tiny tubes in the testis. These tubes contain different hormones. Where testosterone hormone, the male sex hormone, turn into sperm. The testes produce this sperm when a male near to ejaculation. When the tails push the sperm into the tube behind the testicles called the epididymis. Once the sperm leaves the epididymis, it moves into the vas deferens. When a man is stimulated for sexual activity, sperm mixes with seminal fluid. The whitish fluid produced by the seminal vesicles and prostate gland to form semen. As a result, semen is stimulating, which contains up to 500 million sperm cells. The sperm is forced for ejaculation. How long does it take to produce new sperm? The process of transition from a germ cell to a mature sperm capable of fertilizing an egg takes approximately 2.5 months. Your testicles are constantly producing new sperm in spermatogenesis. The full process takes about 64 days. During spermatogenesis, your testicles make several million sperm per day, about 1500 per second. By the end of a full sperm production cycle, you can regenerate up to 8 billion sperm. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.